Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a flower clutcher. First, familiarize yourself with the tool's design, noting its handle, spring mechanism, and gripping jaws. Before each use, always ensure your clutcher is perfectly clean and free from any debris, which helps maintain its functionality and hygiene. Hold the clutcher securely in your dominant hand, positioning your fingers comfortably around the handle. This firm, comfortable grip is essential for precise control and effective operation, making your flower arranging much easier and more enjoyable. Next, let's prepare your beautiful flowers for clutching. Begin by selecting a fresh bloom with a strong, healthy stem, as this provides the best foundation. Carefully trim the stem to your preferred length, usually between 6 and 8 inches, using sharp shears for a clean cut. It's also important to remove any lower leaves or thorns that might fall below the waterline, preventing bacterial growth. This preparation ensures your flowers are ready for a perfect, secure grip. Now, let's engage the clutcher with your prepared flower. Gently squeeze the clutcher's handle, causing its jaws to open wide. Carefully insert the flower stem into the open jaws, ensuring it's positioned about 1 inch below the bloom for optimal support. Once the stem is perfectly aligned, slowly release the handle. The clutcher's jaws will then firmly and securely grip the stem, holding your flower upright and ready for display. It's a simple, effective process. Finally, let's talk about placement and ongoing care for your beautiful arrangement. Place your clutched flower into a vase filled with fresh, clean water, ensuring the clutcher itself is fully submerged. This allows the stem to absorb water efficiently, keeping your flower hydrated and vibrant for longer. Remember to check the water level daily and replenish it as needed. After each use, clean your flower clutcher thoroughly with mild soap and water to maintain its condition and longevity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.